Now we go to the example 11. In this question, it shows a regular heptagon and we need to find the value of theta. The important point of this question is whether you know the meaning of regular. What does it mean? Actually, it means the length of each side of the polygon is equal, so that in this heptagon, all the sides are in equal length. Second, that all the interior angles should be in the same size, so that each of the angles must be theta. That is meaning of regular. And for the heptagon, actually it means that it's a 7-sides polygon. So that if we want to find theta, we can use the angle sum of polygon, that all this theta, that is 7 times theta, that is the sum of this 7 angle, is equal to n minus 2 times 180 degrees. And for the n, it means the number of sides of the polygon. And for this heptagon, it has 7 sides, so n is 7. So we substitute the 7 into this equation, that is equal to 7 minus 2 times 180 degree. So that 7 theta is equal to 5 times 180 degrees. So 7 theta is equal to 900 degree. And lastly, that theta is equal to 129 degree, which is correct to 3 silicon figures. That's it.